Working from sun up to sundown, taking orders from men who continue to criticize and frown, calculating the bills for the month, salary becomes and pass mouth, leaving us while in disbelief we grunt. The cost of groceries, utilities and taxi fare continue to increase. Our confidence and respect continue to decrease. Minimum wage that has been frozen remains in a freeze. So-called superiors' pockets remain heavy, so they are at ease. Were the sacrifices of our ancestors in vain? Why are we still feeling the pain? We have become enslaved mentally, repaying loans. We are hopeless financially. Unity is strength, so they divide us with so-called superiority, knowing that we will trample our brothers with inferiority. Wake up, sleepers. It's time for us to become reapers. Let's unite and create a better world for our offsprings. Let's set the foundation for future generations, a world with less pain and more financial gain. Let's show our children how to smile in the rain.